The demand for nano CBD powders has grown significantly in the cannabinoid marketplace. In this video, the same preparation techniques are used whether starting with cream stuff or food stuff. The resulting end product, a light, fluffy powder, can be used for the preparation of culinary specialty foods or cosmetic products such as creams, salves, and lotions. In preparation for making your first batch of stuff, it is critically important to create a uniform temperature profile for all of your materials. This includes your ingredients, additives, tools such as spatulas or spoons, and finally bowls or ceramic crucibles. Having a similar temperature profile will facilitate an environment where the oil can easily wick into the powder. The range of temperatures or starting temperatures will vary based on your process and your materials. We recommend a range between 55 to 70 degrees C to start with. This customer used a hot water bath to heat up the preferred oil. A mechanical convection oven was used to preheat the StuphCorp material, tools, and crucibles. The customer was targeting a ratio of 1:1, 1 part StuphCorp material to 1 part oil. A total of 7 grams of StuphCorp material and 7 grams of the preferred oil will be used in this demonstration. The customer uses approximately 3.5 grams, or about half of the preheated StuphCorp material. Using the dispenser, we will add 3.5 grams of oil. They aggressively started to mix the oil into the StuphCorp material. Note how the StuphCorp material starts to absorb the oil and change color. To illustrate how important uniform temperature is to this process, we have attached a temperature sensor to the preheated ceramic bowl. The experiment is also being conducted on a hot plate to maintain the heated profile. This video should be used as an example of a process, as you will have different proportions of raw materials, different mixing bowls, and different mixing techniques. The customer now adds the balance of the StuphCorp material and an additional 3.5 grams of oil. You can see how much of the residual material is clinging to the spatula. This is an excellent example of the combined materials cooling, sticking, or clumping together. Having an insufficient uniform temperature profile will cause the combined materials to adhere to each other. If your material is adhering to itself, apply additional heat and additional mixing. This process was continued for a total of 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the uniformity of the material the customer desired. After the mixing has been completed, the ceramic bowl was placed back in the mechanical convection oven at 60 degrees C for approximately 120 minutes. This customer used the embedded powder to make creams, salves, and lotions.